Hey creator friends, welcome to my channel, and I gotta show you something super cool. This is a product review for something that is like completely different than anything I've ever done before, but it's so cool. So I have mentioned a few times that we were gonna get our whole house pressure washed, and we have a pretty big house, a lot of concrete, patio, carport, all that stuff, and we have a well, and so you can't like run a pressure washer or something for a long time when you have a well, because you'll run it out and then you have to wait for it to fill back up, and it's just a pain. So we hire someone to come because they actually bring big tanks of hot water on a trailer to do the house. So we had the guy here, he worked 2 straight days, and then he's gonna come back on the 23rd and finish. But I had mentioned that, and then I got contacted by this super cool company called EVEAGE, E-V-E-A-G-E. And because I wanted to pressure wash the little things, like I have this little furniture, I'll show you in a second. But they sent me, basically, it's a cordless little handheld pressure washer that I am so excited about, because I'll be able to do like the patio furniture and touch up spots throughout the year. And I am so excited. So hold on, I'm going to bring you down and show you the whole case. It's amazing. Okay, so what they've got here, and I've had it, I'm sorry, I've had it for like a week and a half, and I should have done a review earlier, but our son got injured and I had to help him out for the week, so this kind of set me back, which is fine because the guy was able to pressure wash 2/3 of the house, and now I've got little things. So this is what I'm going to use this on. See these little, I have these little like side furniture, and see how nasty that is? So I'm going to do that. But for now, I just want to show you what they sent. So it looks like this. It's super cool. I've already got the battery. It's like a battery and a plug-in charger. I've already got that charged, and there's a light that goes on here. And when it's charged, you can tell because the light is gone. But look, it's like a briefcase of pressure washing awesomeness. Okay, look at, so cool. So what you have here, see there's like a suds tank if you want to use like suds, or for us like the moss out stuff, because we live in the Pacific Northwest and everything gets mildew. And then here is the super cool machine. I have to read the directions. It is good. Look at this. It's got where you can put the nozzle on the end, and I need to read all the directions to get all the parts right. On something like this, I am not going to be a guessing person, but I think that goes on there, and then the other piece goes on that, if I looked at it really correctly. But I am super excited about there. There's your on and off, and I know that there's a little window there that's going to tell you how much time you have on your battery, and the directions are good. It's got a nice long cord, and I'm excited because with this, I can just fill up a bucket with water and drip the cord down into it, and then do spot pieces or like my furniture. But you can see, super easy. Shows you how to turn it on and put the black port in there. You can put the little tank on there, and it even has like the different sprays. So you can do like a real direct one, or a cover more area. And I am excited about this. So I've got the battery charged. I'm going to finish reading this, and then I'm going to get everything set up, and I'm going to show you this thing in action, because I am super excited about the EVEAGE Cordless Pressure Washer. Who doesn't need one of these? It's just amazing. Okay, I've got everything put together, but I want to show you the parts and what I did to put these together. So hang tight, I'm going to post it down at the table so you can see what this is. Alright, so I have the battery charged, and the battery is going to slide on just like any kind of a battery operated tool. But there's these 2 parts right here, and what happens is there is the end here, and you can see it's got 2 little spots that this will slide into and match up. So this is the longer wand, and then it has the smaller one. And if you look here, when you turn this, you can see how those 2 little teeth come together. I don't know if they're teeth, I wouldn't call them that, but they come together to make it a wider or a more narrow spray. So that just pops in there like that, and then it pops into the pressure washer. Now the cool thing about this is, I love the fact that I can take it somewhere and use it straight out of a bucket. See right here, it actually comes with the hose, and it comes with 2 quick release items. This one has a little gasket in it, so it's going to be great to put on the end of the hose and attach it to the water faucet. This one, I'm just going to leave that off because I just plan to put that in a bucket and use it right out of the bucket. And this little quick release slips right on there, so that's going to feed the water into there. So then the other thing it has is it has this soap dispenser, and that's the same thing here as like where this goes on. This guy can pop right in here too, and then you can, there you go, you can put soap in there if you want to. So that's pretty much it. It's got the same little end there that you can adjust. So it's kind of cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the water set up, and I'm going to go do a little pressure washing on my little table. You guys, I put it in the bucket, turned it on to get the water up the tube. Took maybe 10 seconds to get the water up the tube, but I got to tell you, I am so excited about this thing. I can barely stand myself. Okay, so I just have a little bucket of water right here. That's all I got. I got the hose in the water, and I just laid the handle of the bucket over it, just kind of hold it. There it is. This is like Jedi stuff from my yard. I am so excited. I can't stand it. So there's my little stool. It's kind of a stool table thing. But see right there, that little spot? I don't know if you can see it. But watch this. I'm going to work on this dirt right there. You can see I rub my finger over it, and it's not coming off. Watch. I am so excited I can barely stand it. Let me make that wider. I wonder if I make it even wider. Nope. Go this way. Oh, that's too wide. Ooh. Get it right in between. There we are. I can adjust it. Oh my gosh. I am excited. Watch this. I want you guys to see this close up. See that? Coming right off. Moss and mildew's coming off. Okay. I'm done. I gotta show you. Okay. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at, you can see where I cleaned it and where I didn't. This is an awesome, awesome thing. Okay, I have to say, I'm going to put soap in there, and I'm going to try that, but this just wanted to be real quick for you guys to see. EVEAGE, E-V-E-A-G-E, there will be a link in my description. I'm outside all day. I'm spending my day outside with this because it's cool. I don't have to draw off my well with a big pressure washer. I can take this anywhere that I can carry this in a bucket. I'm beside myself with excitement. Check it out. This is awesome. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.